everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. And in today's video, you guys, it is Friday, which means I either have a tip, a trick, or a technique to share with you. And I've got a great little tip that I wanted to share with you. And this is the Abstract Impression stamp set. Now this stamp set has these 3 flowers, so I wanted to show you how to line them up so you get a perfect stamped image every time. When you see the stamps, you will notice, oh, it's hard to tell, but in the corner there's these little carrot little markings. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a black Sharpie, and where those little carrot markings are on your stamp, you are going to pull the paper back and just put a little Sharpie mark there. And you're going to repeat that with the other stamps as well. And you'll see the little carrot there. And you're just going to want to take your Sharpie and make a little mark like that. So what you're going to do now, you're going to take your stamp and you're going to take that little tick mark that you made and put it towards the top, at the top. And you are going to do that with the other flower, and again the Sharpie's at the top. So when it comes time to stamping, I've got a scrap piece of paper and I'm using Blushing Bride and Sweet Sugar Plum, and you're going to start with the lighter ink and you are going to ink up your stamp. And again, my Sharpie mark is at the top. You're going to come in with the other coordinating stamp, and this is going to be the one that gives all that pretty detail. And again, the Sharpie mark is at the top, and that's going to help you line up your stamp every time so that you get the perfect image. So I hope you found today's tip useful. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a detailed description on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.